off again. This time I'm going to get Kag to meet me somewhere. I've got a great place for her. I think she's going to like this one.
Ringing the mobile number for Kag.
Kag. Even they can't get the name right.
What do you want?
Alright, did you find the coordinates to where you're meeting me?
Did I find the what, sorry?
So you know where you're meeting me today?
I've got an idea.
Okay, so you don't know where you're going though?
Well, no, but I'm not looking forward to it.
Why? You know I always take you to great places. You've enjoyed the last lot.
Hey, I opened...
Apart from the whinging, it was all good. Sore feet.
I walked
Too many
out the front door. I walked out the front door,
Yeah.
the pressure hit me, and I sneezed twice.
Have you ever thought about taking antihistamine for being allergic to the world? It's just going to be...
Right.
You have got your walking boots though, haven't you?
Unfortunately, yes, I've got my walking boots on.
You have. So you're pretty much getting used to where I'm going to take you. All right, catch you soon.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
So here she is, looking happy as ever. You should be happy, Kag.
By the side of a busy road.
I know, that's why you should be happy. Because at the end of the day, at the side of a busy road means maybe
Civilization.
we're in civilization for this one.
That'd be good.
That
I
would
can't
be-
see it happening though.
That would be good, but it's not happening.
No, it's not.
So have you ever seen Yatala prison?
No, I didn't even know where it was.
Didn't you?
No.
You're about to see Yatala. How's that?
Well, that's interesting because it's not much older than not much younger, sorry, than the Adelaide Gaol, is
Just
it?
10 years.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're off for a little walk down Dry Creek, Linear Park. And we're going to look at all these interesting buildings because this is where the quarry used to be. Okay, so this is a beautiful walk, isn't it?
Well, it is, but can I just point out something?
What?
They even use corrugated tin for fucking tunnels. What is it with this country? Corrugated tin.
Well, why wouldn't you?
Well, most other countries don't use it. They use like stone or they concrete or something, but no.
Just looks like rabbit holes. Giant rabbit
I
holes.
was going to say, what sort of rabbit are you talking about? That's the sort of Easter bunny I need to bring my chocolate this Easter.
That's how you get to the other side. How
I'd
did
like
Kag,
something
how
a little
did
bit
Kag
more.
get to the other side?
I'm not going through a tin tunnel. I'm sorry.
She went through a tin tunnel. Ah, okay. Oh, you've got to be on a lead. Look.
It's only bitches, love. It's bitches. I'm
Exactly.
not for you.
Exactly. She's enjoying. She's taking.
No, I'm taking photos because you said don't forget to take some photos. That's the only reason I'm doing them. Otherwise, I wouldn't bother.
You are starting to enjoy nature. Go on, admit it. This beats a
I
shop.
walked out the front door and sneezed twice. I'd only just got out the door.
This-
I didn't even close the door when I sneezed.
This beats a shopping centre.
No, it doesn't. My peeves is people that have dogs and don't clean it up. I have a dog, I clean it up.
Clean your mess up, but you'll make Kag unhappy.
Yes.
So just to show how high this sometimes floods, you can see it's a dry creek at the moment. Maybe that's why it's called Dry Creek. Hey Kag, I just realised why it's called Dry Creek.
Oh, because it's...
It's just dawned on me. Why do you think it's called Dry Creek, Kag? See, Kag's off running. She's so excited. She's running ahead of me now the whole way because she's actually seen, I think this is one of the first quarries.
Hole in the wall.
It's a hole in the wall. Well, that's because it's quarry.
You
If you
say
turn
quarry,
it, if
I
you
say
turn
hole
it
in the wall.
around like that. So there you go. We've got the first remnants over there of a quarry and a post. So I stopped in the wrong spot, really. So they had a whole series of little quarries down here that the prisoners from Yatala Stockade would mine. So this would have been your life. Just smashing these rocks out, breaking them up. This is bluestone, isn't it?
You think so?
Yeah, look at the colours in it.
Makes me laugh how they call it bluestone when it's mostly
I know
like
what.
an orange colour.
That's just. I mean, what brought them here? And wait, you know what? This looks blue.
This orange stone here looks blue. Let's call it bluestone.
Well, maybe it looked like that
Yeah.
before they cut it open. Okay, if you look up, you'll see 2 bees' nests with the honey. Let's see if I can zoom in for you. Might be a bit pixeled, but there you go. How cool.
That is brilliant, isn't it?
These little guys just here. Yeah, there's one in front of him and one, he's gone to join the other one. And there's one on the rock in front there. Sorry guys, a little bit pixeled because phones don't have the best zooms. And there's another one. Oh my god, and in the water just in front of him is a whole load of fish. Isn't it amazing? One little puddle gives so much life.
Yeah. Unbelievable, isn't it?
All the fish are here now, look.
I'm just stood here waiting for you to get up.
Hey, I'm absolutely amazed. You should be amazed too, Kag. Look at all these little fish. What? Look. Can you see that up there?
Yeah.
That used to be a guard tower.
Oh, did it?
Yeah. So all through the quarry here where the prisoners used to be, the guards would be up there watching them. There wouldn't have been all these trees, obviously. So I say, let's go up and have a look at it.
Okay.
Did you
Let's
just
go.
say okay?
Well, I'm not gonna. I've got a choice, have I?
Well, not really.
No. Okay. Let's do it then.
I thought it was you panting, but it was the runner going past. I thought, my gosh, he's only got to come up this slope. Look at this, you can go in.
This slope. This is a mountain.
Look at this, you can go into it.
Ooh.
Alright, so from what I understand, this is one of the watchtowers. Obviously not so stable. Oh, you can't get in. It's only a little room. Oh, I reckon this would have been a dunny. I'm only guessing, of course. But it kind of looks like a little room, so I can only assume what it would have been used for once. For the guards who are on duty here. I don't want to know what's in that bag, to be quite honest. Obviously there are people who hang out here. Wow. So you can see all of this would have been from the quarries, from the prisoners. Okay, I'm going to go up there. I'm going to go and sit in there. You said you needed a toilet. This would have been for the guards up here, so they could oversee the prisoners, doing whatever the prisoners do. Over there, you can see the prison. So that's the back of our Northfield prison. Yatala used to be known as the Stockade. Now, not many people know, but that prison is actually only 10 years younger than the Adelaide Gaol. So,
What?
go stand where I stood.
What, over here?
Yeah, it's a great view.
Like drops.
Hey? It's a great view.
Oh, you see the holes in this thing?
Yeah, you're alright. They're not holes, they're knuckles. Knots, not knuckles.
No, I'm talking about the. I don't like the holes
What?
in.
They're not holes, I guess.
Look at this plank. Look at this one.
What? Which one?
That one.
Well, what do you think it's going to do? It's a thick plank. It's just a bit
This one
wobbly.
doesn't do it. That one's loose.
Yeah, so
To be so.
you're not going to fall through.
I don't care.
It's like 1,000,000 tons of bedrock under us.
Yeah, thanks.
All right, so what we got here? This is the old blacksmith, and of
Yeah, I
course,
reckon this is a blacksmith shop.
This is a blacksmith shop. And how?
1954.
And of course, people just have to graffiti history.
Of course.
It's got bits in it. Oh, it's got little carts and little rail carts and stuff in it.
They used to do all sorts of things in the jail. They used to do things like boot making, tailoring, tinsmithing, blacksmithing, carpentry and canvas work.
Another big window here. Look, you can see in better. They must have. The door's there, but it's locked. So here you go. Hello. Hello. Just say hello. Ouch again. Ouch.
Well, my name's Kag.
That sounded Scottish. Out. Out, but a female Scottish. Probably one of your relatives. Can you try and say something, please?
Also working.
Understand.
What's your name? It said. Kag. Oh my God.
Sure, that's it. That was weird.
It said, and just before it said that, it said,
Yeah,
what's your name? I don't know Kag's name. My name's Alison. I feel a little left out.
Abandoned today.
Haggis. It just said haggis. Oh my God. I told you it was Scottish. It recognises your Scottish blood, Kag. Yeah.
Can you say Alison? That's my friend that's with me.
Oh, that's nice of you to call me a friend.
She's not really my friend, she sang me.
There's a cyclist coming.
If you're really here, could you say Alison for me, please? Can you tell me what the year is, please?
Oh, somebody's coming. So just before we... What was your last question just before we turned off?
Can you tell me what the year is, please?
And then out there came... Yeah. See all the old fencing that would have been surrounding the compounds. And that there, although you can't see it, is another watchtower. The guards. But it is a little unsafe. The old barbed wire. It's offline. No, this is a tower. This is one of the towers, I saw it. But it definitely looks like it needs exploring. You know what would really be nice? If they put little information boards up.
A pub. Does happen to be a pub there?
Yeah, we need to be across at the gunpowder place. I reckon it was like a pit to catch the water. You know, like a dam.
Could well be.
Because
Yeah.
when the water was running, it would run through that creek there. Now, I'm only guessing because it really doesn't... You've got water pumps there as well. So it would run through there.
Yeah.
And then if it gets captured here, that holds it for a while.
Mhm.
You dam it up here, because there's another little dam there. But that's going to hold the water, you know, when the creek dries up. So you've got dry creek. Then at least they've got some sort of water containment. Of course, I could be way off track, but hey, guys, that's what I'm putting it down to. And if there was information signs...
Exactly. Information signs would be great.
I nearly fell off the edge then, Kag.
And I would have laughed and
I
laughed and
just
laughed.
stepped backwards once. You good?
Could do with a cafeteria. Have a coffee.
Well, there's a thing called COVID-19 going around.
You said it was a walk, you didn't say it was a hike. There's a difference. Okay?
It's not a hike, it's a tiny
It's a
little
hike.
track. It's a tiny little track just because you got off.
Well,
That's hardly a hike on a little track like this. It just means the track's got narrower.
and hillier with lots of rocks. Loose rubble.
But look what we found. This would be the powder storage area where they would store the explosives. Here. Of course, everybody's been in with the graffiti cans because we all want to see that on our history and heritage. But How cool is this?
Okay, do you want to do the history? This is the Yatala powder magazine. So it was constructed in 1879. It was used to hold the explosives for the quarry. It had thick stone walls with internal. Oh, the lining was the timber.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that's
And it had a special
always
lightning
good to
protect-
have.
to protect. Oh, it had a special lightning protector going around it.
Yeah.
To protect the sensitive explosives from the risk of sparks and fire.
Oh my God.
It had thick rubber floor mats.
Yeah.
We use that for those.
You have to keep up with me, Kag, because I won't hear you otherwise.
Oh, sorry. So thick rubber floor mats, and then the people using the explosives have thick rubber on the bottom of their shoes as well to protect them. So it's pretty cool, isn't it?
It is.
Does look like Adelaide Gaol, doesn't it?
Yeah, the old buildings do.
Yeah.
See, that's all that's left of it. There used to be another building, but it got burnt down in the riots. Looks so small.
Yeah.
The Adelaide Gaol looks bigger. I know it's not, but see? How hard?
My feet are aching because they're tense.
Because they're tense. You got tense.
I've got tense feet. That's
So,
true.
so what? Your feet go tense and the rest of you
They do.
don't?
It's like, rest of
Oh
me's
my
like,
God, my feet! Yeah, the rest of you are all like
oh,
floppy,
so good.
laid back.
Exactly. But my
Don't
feet
give
are
a
like,
shit,
"Ah."
but your feet are all tense.
Yeah.
Look, Kag,
What's
can you
that?
see those little rocks?
Oh, the balancing
Somebody's
rocks.
done one of those balancing rock things there.
Yeah, but you're not supposed to do them, are you?
Well, I know they've asked people not to. I'm not going to say us because I'm not that clever. But they are very clever, how they get them all to balance just right so that they don't fall over. How cool.
Yeah, it is, but
How cool.
have you ever had to go?
No, I haven't.
Well, so you couldn't balance yourself. then
But
neither
because
would
they're asking us not to, I won't. What do you mean I can't balance myself?
You
Who
can't
is
balance
it?
yourself.
Who is it? Miss Red Face. Miss Red and Sweaty. Look how red she looks. Who is it who couldn't even come down that hill, even with boots and grips?
Boots.
Boots. With your boots.
With boots.
You got
Boots
your
and
boots
grips.
on and your grips.
Well, I'm not used to going up. I like flat walking. I'm a flat walker. I'm not a up and down a hiller.
No, it stresses your feet, doesn't it?
It stresses my
tense.
feet. My feet
You
are
get-
burning.
Your feet get tense.
They do. My feet are absolutely burning. So it's your fault. Totally blame you. If I lose the use of my feet because they're so tense.
It's been a long walk.
It's been a long walk. I'm hot. I'm tired. I'm sweaty.
And we're trying to find a hut.
A hut.
A hut.
A hut. A house, wasn't it?
Well, it's a hut. It's a drover's hut.
Hut.
Hut. It's a hut
A drover's hut.
or something like that.
We'll probably find
It was at
in
the very
Go.
beginning of our walk, but we missed it.
We'll probably find it and go, oh, was that it?
Yeah, I know. Probably can't get
Hang
in
on.
it anyway. So that would be it that we saw up there.
If that is the one that's up there, that you can't even get to this one, never mind that one up there. You should change this to the Trail of Disappointment because you can't get to anything. Really,
But you
guys.
can't get to the prison. That's a bit disappointing, isn't it?
Yeah, you think you're like, I
So this hut that we can't get to, maybe I'll ask Michael. You can, look, the fence is down. But is it on jail property? Shall I ring Michael? I'll go and ring him.
No.
Yeah, he'll know. We're on your stupid little trail here. All right.
Oh, which stupid trail are we talking about?
The Trail of Disappointment.
Yes.
Kag calls it.
Oh! Yeah, okay, keep going. Trail of Disappointment.
Because we were looking forward to seeing R.M. Williams' cottage, but you can't get to it.
Can't you? Why not?
Well, how'd you get to it?
I'd see building on the other side of the river.
Yeah, and then there's a fence around it that looks almost like it's jail. Are we allowed into it?
No. I think there's some structural issues with it, if I recall.
No, I mean, are we allowed anywhere near it, or do we have to stand at the other side of the river here just looking at it in the distance?
You can get on the other side, I think, and come from Adelaide Enfield to get to it.
So we got to go to a different road completely to come.
Yeah.
Well,
Wow,
that's-
yeah, it's a nice walk. Think of that lovely stroll.
We've done
that
it.
you're doing.
We've done your trail of
Already?
we've done your trail of disappointment.
Yes, and we're very disappointed. Exactly.
We also want to know, why isn't there any information signs anywhere?
Good question. I thought we used to have information
Are
signs
you
up
watching
through
where
there.
you're filming?
Yeah. Well, Michael, there's information signs at the front
Yeah.
as you come in.
But where's the little information signs as to what you're looking at?
Yeah, exactly. There's no good saying this is going to be this, and this when you actually don't realise what they are. We need the signage, and also I think you need some more seats as you go around.
Seats? No, you're not allowed to sit down.
Well, it also said if when you go to the blacksmith shop, there's a nice picnic area where you can sit, or some picnic seating, where you can sit and watch the surroundings. Well, there wasn't, Michael.
Being called back.
So yeah, we just heard 2 names being called from the prison.
Yeah.
Come back to the
Can
district.
so and so and so and so come back to the division, please? They're probably out nicking your seats. All right, well, we're going to go. We're knackered. We're going to go. Oh, there's a ghost in the house. I've just heard it knock.
Yeah, I reckon it came from that one over there.
Every time you look that way, you go like that.
I know I do.
Every time you do
I
that way,
look.
you do that.
I was trying to keep you on it. That was all.
Don't you do?
So-
You weren't even looking at me.
I was looking at that building up there.
Worst videographer ever. Okay, that is what we've been searching for. That we can't get to. That is R.M. Williams' house. So when he used to have land round here, you all know R.M. Williams. So yeah, R.M. Williams. He owned all the land around here, which must be nice next to the stockade and the quarry, and
Yeah.
that's his house up there. So a bit of history for you. There you go. Can't get to it. The Trail of Disappointment. All right, so we're back out. That was a cool walk. It took a long time, but it was actually really enjoyable, and it's great going through some history. Kag would be with me. Oh, I hear Kag's car starting. Kag would be with me to do this wind up, but she's not actually talking to me at the moment. I think that's her now, and she's definitely not going to do anything with me. I had fun anyway, so I think she's off to my house. Hopefully she's putting the kettle on. So there you go. The Linear Park walk. Do come and do it. Despite what we've said, it is really, really interesting, full of history, and it's just a beautiful walk. So, okay, I better go and catch up with Kag now in my car.